All right, first things first, in order to begin the hands on, we need one account. So, after opening this sign up page, you got the options, right? We can use our Gmail account, which is one of the easiest option to use Databricks for hands on. Another, if you have Microsoft account, you can continue with Microsoft. Or if you have another different kind of email, you can also use your email, your two-step verification. Those basic things will be emailed on your email for verification that you really own the email. So let's get started. Please fill up your email or your Gmail account to get started. Now, once you are done authenticating, you'll be presented out with the page. So for our hands-on for work, free for 14 days up to $400 credits. This is good enough to practice our hands-on. You just need to click on start trial with express setup and it will get started something like this. And here we'll start our hands-on. So let's meet in our next lecture.